Person County, northern Orange County, northern Randolph County, eastern Guilford County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Miramar Road to 10 miles south of Thomasville, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, High Point, Burlington, Asheboro, Graham, Roxboro, Hillsboro, Randleman, Mebane, and Elon. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Guilford,